Hi, I'm Jeff Batton. I'm one of the owners of Batton Homes, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about what we do, why we do it, and a little bit about Detroit. This is one of our homes here in Boston Edison, the historic district here in Detroit. We've been working on this house for about a year and a half. We're right down the road from Boyd Park. The Sacred Heart Seminary is right down the street. There's a lot of historic homes here, and a lot of people are moving back to Detroit. It's been through a major resurgence. We are part of that resurgence. This home's been sitting empty for about 20 years. We went through and pretty much gutted the whole house. A lot of character in the house.